How to turn on share name and photo on iOS 26 on your iPhone. Come over and tap on settings icon, scroll up a bit, tap on general, tap on software update. Now if there is any update here guys, go ahead and update your device to the latest iOS. Now that this has been updated, scroll down guys so to get to apps, tap on apps. Now tap on search apps here, type in message, or you search for message apps on the list of apps you have on your device. Now scroll up until you get to name, that get to share names and photo, tap on it. Now that I've tapped on it, you have access to this. You can customize it. So let's start from choosing a photo. Tap on this button. Here you have tap on this photo icon. Here you can select from camera or from photo library. So let me tap on photo library. Once tap on your photo library, it comes up like this. Then let me go to collection. From collection, you have something like this. Now I want to pick from this photo I have here. Let me pick this one from X. Now tap on this button. Now tap on shoes. Now that I've tapped on shoes, scroll up a bit until you get to this button. Share, that is name and photo. Tap on this button. When you do that guys, you have access to your name on this device. Then you see this option share automatically with contacts only or always ask. So this has to do with you guys. So I will select always ask, then tap on this button. Once tap on this button, choose a poster. You can select from this to choose a poster. So tap on this button. So guys, that's all guys. You've been able to activate share name and photo on iPhone. If you get this tip of not subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this.